Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a ultimate Canva clone editor which I developed where you can actually generate PDF documents or Word documents directly using raw text. You can also check out this tool right here by visiting my website freemediatools.com. And this tool actually is very simple. You have a text area where you can actually write HTML or you can write raw text, and then we have different kinds of buttons out there. At the bottom side you can export this to HTML file or you can export them to TXT, PDF, Word document files, DOCX, or you can even RTF zip file as well. So all these buttons are there. So now let's suppose I paste some raw text. You will see the live preview as well. So when you paste a bunch of text right here, now you can one by one, let me show you. If I click this button, Word document, you will see Word document file will be downloaded. And if I try to open this file here, so this is your Word document file here. The text has been automatically inserted with the full formatting, and same if I press the PDF button, you will see the PDF file will get downloaded. This is a page 1, this is page 2. So in this easy way you can use this tool to actually, so this code can be anything, it can be HTML code as well. So you will see a live preview. So you can see that. So now we can download this as an HTML file as well. So you can see the HTML file has been downloaded, and same goes with the Word document file as well. So if you try to open this now, you can see all the HTML that you written has been exported to your Word document, and same goes with the PDF file as well. So if I see, the HTML that you see right here has been exported. So this is actually a rich text editor, something like Canvas. So you can first of all try this by visiting this website freemediatools.com. And now let me show you the source code here, how I built this tool. So you will see we have used quite a number of third-party dependencies, which is JS-PDF for exporting the content to PDF, and then also for pdf.min.js. These are all third-party packages which is completely free. So if you just write here JS PDF, the very first link which comes right here, you can see it's a PDF document generation library specifically for JavaScript. I have used this one. You can see 1 billion weekly downloads, and then we also are using PDF.js, this one as well. So if you are interested guys, the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase it. If you go to my website procodestore.com, once you purchase it, you will be automatically be redirected to Google Drive, where you will actually get this single file here. So as you can see, it runs entirely in the browser. No server-side code is involved. It's built using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So if I just show you the complete, so this is actually the single file that you will need here, and for running this file it's very simple. You can use VS Code extension to run it locally. So it will run this project locally here. So you can see we are running this project locally. So in this way, so if you are interested guys, the link is given in the description, and I will be seeing you in the next video. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image.